We are so excited. We're having a small witches gathering tomorrow.
And it's gonna be so awesome. So we're just going to the grocery stores.
Yeah, here's Trader Joe's. We're gonna go get some supplies. And then we need to make some last minute decorations too, because we want it to be extra spooky.
And it's all coming together amazingly.
Yay!
Thou mustn't talk to master in such a manner.
We just came to Kinko's and got some stuff printed. And I made all of these on the computer, but it's a Bunco card. And I wanted the candy corn, so that turned out cute. And then these are the table cards. I really like that one. This one was Jake's favorite. And then I also made little personalized tally cards that match too. I'm just so excited about this. I have like been looking forward to this party for months.
Got a phone call for you.
We got the cobwebs up. I need to put all the tablecloths out. But it's just fun to see everything starting to come together. Here's all the prizes. I need to finish these up too. We got those going. Hope Jake's bringing in some broomsticks. I need to vacuum. This is gonna be a party. My friend Sarah is so sweet letting me borrow some candles, and she was like, yeah, I have some. There's so many. She brought over like 2 big boxes. This is definitely gonna be a witch's night to remember.
It's a party in here.
It's time to turn all the candles on, so gotta get those going on.
Hey!
Hi! I'm just getting the food out. Oh my gosh, I'm like so excited with how this is all turning out. And I was worried about lighting, that it wouldn't be lit enough, but that beware sign lights this entire place up. I need to go get my witch outfit on. Well, we're just cleaning up everything, getting it almost done. I wish though, I totally missed, like I wanted to like walk in through the front door and what it would feel like at the party, and just when everything happens, it just goes so quick. You did? Jake did.
I got that on video.
Oh, thanks. I know, it's like
Couple times.
I know,
takes.
well like when you're putting together a party and stuff, all of a sudden it's like, oh, I gotta go get dressed and I gotta like go do everything, and yeah. Thanks, Jake.
You're welcome.
Good to have 2 people. But check it out, I have these cute little spider earrings on.
These are awesome.
Yeah, I love them. I found them at Walmart for $3. They're like such a good find. Oh, I'm so glad you got that.
But the party was a hit, everyone loved it, and everyone wanted to stick around longer.
Yeah, it was so fun. It was a witch's night out, so Jake was really great and came and helped, and he helped set up and helped clean up.
And then I got to play Fortnite with
with one of our cute little neighbor
a friend who
kids.
came over.
Yeah, that was so fun.
And I didn't do so good. I'm not good at Fortnite.
Yeah, it's a little bit harder. I'm so excited though. Halloween's just my favorite holiday. I love it so much. Whoop whoop!